Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition Online lesson on SEMrush's Keyword Magic Tool. In other lessons, we discussed what keywords are and how we use them to beat our competition online in search engine marketing. One of the reasons we recommend SEMrush is because with the SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool, entering just one seed keyword will be enough for you to build a whole keyword empire around it. In 2017, SEMrush estimated they had over 1.4 billion keywords in their database for the USA alone, and more than 10 billion globally. That statistic alone should tell you the importance of mastering Google's search engine. So let's examine how the Keyword Magic Tool works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the Keyword Research section of the left sidebar, where you will find Keyword Magic Tool, which we will click. When trying to beat your competition online, there are two primary scenarios in which you might want to use the power of the Keyword Magic Tool. First, which we use most often, is when we want to earn more visibility on search engine results pages. There are several types of text content that can result in a featured snippet: lists, ordered and unordered, pieces of text, usually in the form of an answer, headings, bullet points, and tables. So let's take our pizza example. We might want to add code in our article about how to make a pizza that looks like this. Step 1, make the dough and pound it into a circle. Step 2, add sauce, cheese, and your favorite toppings. Step 3, bake. Step 4, enjoy. When we have this code, Google will be more likely to feature our instructions at the top of the search engine results page, which will look something like this. Logically, we might create this content to answer the search query, "How do I make a pizza?" This, however, may not be the exact wording that people are searching for. For example, they might omit "how do I," or they might use a different pronoun instead of I. To find that out, go to Keyword Magic, enter your seed keywords, pizza and recipe, and then click the green search button. And then click the Questions button to get keywords in the form of a question. Here, we can see there are hundreds of keywords and a low average difficulty for these pizza recipe results. With SEMrush, we can select and add as many of these keywords as we want by clicking the selection check boxes and then clicking Add to Keyword Analyzer. One top tip: don't judge a keyword by its volume. Instead, evaluate how tough the competition is going to be if you choose it, and take it from there. If you're just starting out, place your bet on long-tail keywords. The next step is to analyze the featured snippets these keywords trigger. These snippets will be the key to your success. In the Keyword Magic Tool, click on the number in the column of Results in SERP, to see the snapshot of the featured snippet. We do this because we need to ascertain 4 pieces of information. 1. Who got into the featured snippet. 2. What their exact question and answer were. 3. Which keywords they used. And 4. How long their answer was. From this information, we can compose a response on our website. Your perfect scenario is a high-volume, low KD, long-tail keyword. Should you discover that your competitors are hard to compete with, switch to longer keyword combinations with average volume. By the way, be sure to optimize your images with keywords. If you don't want Google to randomly choose a picture to go with your featured snippet, make sure your images are optimized, and you can do this by adding an alt description to all your images, which you should do anyway to improve your overall technical SEO score. So that's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is when we need to find keywords for your article's structure. The Keyword Magic Tool takes the guesswork out of search engine optimization and content development. It so happens that writing in the digital marketing era is not only about inspiration, it's actually more strategic and less poetic. Determining how to create content that will be found by your audience is critical. And you can't make this happen without a goal-oriented strategy and SEO. Let us say we work for a digital marketing agency and we want to write an article about how to set digital marketing budgets for the coming year. Let us click the Keyword Magic Tool link at the top to reset our search. Now let's enter Digital Marketing Budget and click the Search button, assuring we have selected the correct database. For your convenience, all the keywords will be sorted into groups by search topic. In the article we are writing, we will be targeting high-volume, realistic keywords that could potentially take you to the top of the search results, so it is a good idea to sort all the groups by volume. The volume of keywords in your article's title, headings, and paragraphs should descend accordingly. As part of your keyword strategy, keywords with the highest volume should be in your title. Keywords with average volume should be in your headings, and those with the least volume could be used in your paragraphs. As you skim through your list, click the plus button next to the keywords you will be sending to Keyword Analyzer, which is an analysis tool that SEMrush provides and is a keyword repository where keywords can be studied more comprehensively. So let's go ahead and select all the keywords in this group by clicking the selection checkbox at the top. Now let's click the Add to Keyword Analyzer button. Let us add a few more by returning to the grouping list again and select the second highest volume, and then add all of those to the Keyword Analyzer. By the way, if we selected some keywords that were too specific, we might want to change the match type to Related in the top segmented tab bar, which will give us some more options. For now though, I've used the keywords with the highest volume to concoct a title for the article I want to write. That title is How to Create a Sample Digital Marketing Campaign Plan for Optimal Allocation in 2018. Okay, maybe that's an excessive use of keywords, but on the other hand, it might just work. Our headers could be something like How to Create a Digital Marketing Budget Using an Excel Template, and Our Calculator of Estimating Marketing Campaign Allocation, and an example of breaking down your marketing budget allocation. So with that, we can use other keywords in the Keyword Analyzer to fill our article. Finally, do not forget to use advanced filters to find keywords most directly related to the topic you are seeking and the goals of your campaign. Shoot for higher volume and lower competition, and you'll be well on your way to a successful campaign. Now I know we mentioned we would cover 2 scenarios, but I want to highlight a third as a bonus to you. It turns out the Keyword Magic Tool is also perfect for PPC. If your budget allows, you may as well use it to build thematic PPC campaigns. We know it takes time for SEO efforts to produce solid results. PPC is different in that it helps you snatch extra traffic in a very short time span. If you are a PPC specialist looking to launch a thematic PPC campaign leading up to a special occasion, the Keyword Magic Tool will also come in handy. Just define your campaign topics, target your audience and budget, and let the tools do the rest for you. We hope you'll check out the Keyword Magic Tool. Give it a try. See you in the next video.